Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mighty Products. My name's Austin, and today we're going to be talking about the all-new 17-inch Carpet Shark CRB. This thing is the apex predator of CRBs, featuring a wide cleaning path, encapsulation, pre-scrubbing, hard surface cleaning, you name it, it's a breeze. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. Alrighty guys, so got the head here with me. It's solid stainless steel construction, and you'll notice pretty much out of the box that the shape of the CRB itself is quite a bit boxier than your average cone-shaped CRB. This is for a couple reasons. The more square shape gives us a better contour to the cleaning surface, as well as it makes room for the two motors that are in there. Most CRBs are run from a single motor and a gear-based system. The Carpet Shark features two motors, and it's a dual belt drive. This provides several different advantages. The first being that the two motors are a little bit more powerful, and the belts that drive the brushes are going to be a lot quieter than a gear-based system. And then in the event that anything goes down while you're in the field, it's much quicker and much more cost efficient to replace these belts. It can be done in a matter of minutes by yourself versus a gear-based CRB going down. You're going to need to take it to a technician, and you're going to be probably out for the day. So now that we've kind of gone over a couple of the different advantages from the head, let's go ahead and look at how to get it set up. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get set up here. First thing I'm going to want to take care of is the handle. You'll notice I've already got the first set of bars here. There's an extra one you're going to stack on top to get up to full height, and then I'm going to take my handle piece and clip it in here. There's two little pins, press them in and lock it in, nice and easy. Once I've got the handle all the way up, ready to go, the next thing I'm going to want to take care of is the power. The power pigtail on the back of the CRB connects to the included extension cord. You'll see it light up. That lets me know that the power is sufficient. I am ready to go. You also want to make sure that you clip this up and out of your way before you get started. Alright, now I'm almost ready to go. Now we just need to get the attachments put on. The accessories that come with the CRB is a set of renovator trays that you can use to pick up air and debris on a pre-pass, as well as a set of these splash guards for when you're agitating encapsulation chemicals, so it's not spraying around on your shoes, on your ankles, everywhere. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take these, put these on the face, line the pegs up here and give it a slide, and you'll see that lock right into place. And we go ahead and push this pin in to take them off. So once you have the correct accessories put on, you go ahead and get it started. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now. Alrighty guys, so we've got power, I've got my handle set up, and my attachments are secure. We're ready to go. I just have to hit the foot switch down here, pull the handle back, and we're off. Alright, so that's all we have for you today, guys. If you want more info, go ahead and check out mighty.com or connect with us on Instagram and Twitter. You can also join the conversation at All Things Mighty on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys next time.